Okay, everybody, here it is, 1972 Barracuda. Just wanted to show you the body. It's a little really crazy color, purple. It's a blue, call it a blue purple pearl. But yeah, car is, this paint job is just ridiculous. So fast did this blower for me out of Canada. Here's the car. Hobby wing. Traxxas remote control. It's even got a back light. It's really weird. I don't know if Traxxas just came out with something with the wheelie bar mount. But now it's got a red light and it stays red. It's pretty cool. I'll show you guys a test run. Yeah, it's been raining here a lot, so I really wish I could get it outside. It's fast, though. It's too fast. JC Concept Hottie wheels on the back. Sorry, it's just a wheelie bar. If I had more room, guys, really wish I had more room, but it's all it does here in Syracuse. It's just raining. Try to get a good hit here. Okay, so everything is ESC Hobby Wing. It's the it's the Max 10 edition. It's got a cord from the ESC that goes into the back of the motor that keeps the engine from cooling down. Traxxas steering circle. Just trying to get a good hit here for you. Got a good hit. What? Please, any questions, guys? Do one more hit here. Any more questions? Any answers you need? Just get a hold of me anytime. I'm more than happy to answer your questions. Thank you very much.